Hi, I'm Eddie the Bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartenderteas.com, here to demonstrate how to make a Tequila Sunrise. So you take your glass, add some ice. I did a little research on this one. I'll kind of cheat from my phone. It says it became popular in the 70s. It was created by Bobby Lozoff and Billy Rice at the Trident Bar in California. And apparently became popular when a member of the Stones, they don't know if it's Mick Jagger or not, toasted it to kick off a party, their tour of '72. And shortly after, the Eagles released a song called Tequila Sunrise on their Desperado album. So that's pretty cool. The ingredients are tequila, orange juice, and grenadine. So it's 1.5 ounces of tequila. You can ask your customer what kind of tequila they prefer. Orange juice. If you have a freshly squeezed orange juice, that's the best. I don't. And grenadine. You can clear grenadine. The grenadine is going to sink to the bottom, so it gives it that sunrise look. Do a couple straws. And how about we do an orange, just for fun. And there you go. Let's do a little more grenadine, just for fun. That's beautiful. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartenderteas.com. Now, if you're interested in bartender apparel like what I'm wearing, head over to bartenderteas.com. We carry a full line of sweatshirts, hoodies, t-shirts, tank tops, and hats, all bartender themed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.